Good day everyone. Again, I'm Sir Gilbert. This time I just want to explain to you multiplication and division of integers. So in dividing and multiplying integers, if both the factors or the multiplicand and the multiplier have the same sign, the product will always be positive. So positive multiplied by a positive, so the result is positive. A negative multiplied by a negative, the result will be positive. Okay, so whereas if one of its factor is negative, the result will be negative. Okay, so a positive multiplied by a negative integer, the result will be negative. A negative multiplied by a positive integer, the result will be negative. Okay, so when it comes to division, a positive integer divided by a positive integer, the result will be positive. A negative integer divided by a negative integer, the result will be positive. And a positive dividend divided by a negative divisor, the result will be negative. A negative dividend divided by a positive divisor, the quotient will be negative. So to sum up, the product and quotient of two integers having the same signs is always positive. Okay? Whereas the product and quotient of two integers having different signs, the result will be, or the result will always be negative. Okay? So let's have an example. Let's say you have example number 1. So you have a positive 5 multiplied by positive 6, the result will be positive 30. And a negative 5 multiplied by a negative 6, so the result will be positive also. Okay, how about if 5 is negative and 6 is positive, so the result will be negative. And number 4, how about if 5 is positive, this time 6 is negative, so the result will be negative 30. Okay, so let's check using my calculator. Positive 5 multiplied by positive 6 equals 30. Okay, the same. Okay, negative 5 multiplied by negative 6, the result will be 30 also. Okay, then if negative 5 multiplied by positive 6, so the result will be negative 30. How about a positive 5 multiplied by a negative 6? So the result also will be negative 30. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, so let's continue for division. Let's have number 5. How about a 20 positive divided by positive number 4? So the result will be positive 5. Since the dividend is positive, the divisor is also positive. The result will be positive 5. How about if the dividend is negative and the divisor is also negative? So the result will be positive. Okay, so based on our rule. Okay, so about number 7. Say a positive 20 divided by negative 4. So the result will be negative 5. Okay, number 8. 20 negative 20 divided by a positive 4. So the result will be negative 5. Okay? So let's check. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Okay? How about a negative 20 divided by negative 4? So the result is also positive. How about 20 divided by negative 4 equals negative 5. Okay? So last one, negative 20 divided by 4 equals negative 5. Okay? So it's the same. So, okay, that's all about multiplication and division of integers. Thank you.